Let's gather all your supplies. First, you need your PDF printable, and that is in your download, and you could choose which one you want. Scissors, your hole punch to punch the little hole there. And then you need the money holders, which I bought from Amazon, and you can find the link below in the description. This is the sticky part that goes on the back, which adheres to the card. And you want to use cardstock paper when you're printing your PDF file. It's a lot more sturdier than copy paper. You want to add some pizzazz to the back. You can use the PDF template and your choice of paper. I got this from Michael's, and just cut it out and glue it to the back. Then you need cash, and make sure that the dollar amount matches what's on the card. You can give the card just like this. It looks fine, and that's what I'm planning to do. But I'm going to show you how you can add the paper to the back. You get your cardstock paper or whatever choice of paper you want, and cut out the blank template, trace it to your pattern paper, and then you just cut it out, glue it, and attach it to the back of the card. I'm not going to attach it because I like it plain like this. So now to attach the money holder, go ahead and peel the sticky part and take out the centerpiece, which is really easy. It's already cut out for you. Now we're going to attach it to the back, and you just go ahead and line it up. And when you're about to stick it on there, place it right underneath the last sentence on the spend it or save it. Take your bill and start rolling it. And when you place it in the money holder, you want the $20, whatever amount you have, showing in the front. Then go ahead and peel the backing of it so that you can place it on the card. The last step is to get your hole puncher and punch the hole on the template right there. And you are done. They're gonna love it.